And more testimony in the Darrell Brooks trial. Brooks is accused of driving through the Waukesha Christmas parade last year, killing 6 people and injuring dozens more. Today, we heard from the adults who were marching with the Extreme Dance Team and the Waukesha Blazers. Both are youth groups that had victims. Meanwhile, DA Sue Opper says the state fell behind its anticipated schedule, meaning they won't likely rest their case until Friday at the earliest. And joining us now to break down what happened in court today is attorney Julius Kim from the law group Kim and Lavoie. Thank you so much again for being with us, Julius, this afternoon. A lot to get to today. First of all, what do you make of Brooks shouting grounds after the state objects?
Yeah, that's kind of been a habit that he's been doing throughout the entire trial, and he's yelling grounds. And what he's doing is he wants the judge to, he wants the person objecting to state the reason why they're objecting, the grounds for the objection, which is standard procedure. And quite frankly, the judge is not going to make a ruling on the objection until the objecting party states the grounds. I don't know where he's getting that from. I don't think he really has to keep saying grounds. It's a little grating, but that's all he's doing, is he just simply wants to place on the record the reason for the objection.
Okay, right. Yeah, we're used to hearing objection. And the judge did say at the beginning of the trial, you can't do it for every single testimony or every sentence. So it'll be interesting to see where that goes. Also, Brooks has highlighted notes in his hand that he keeps, referring to. Do you think that those notes are left over from, say, the public defenders? Or is he doing his homework here?
That's my suspicion, because he seems to be pretty organized. He has smaller file folders with police reports, presumably, of each individual witness. He seems pretty organized. I wonder if he basically got the case file from the public defender's office or a copy of it and is using that. But he's been preparing notes. He's been making notes. He's been highlighting reports, and he seems to be pretty organized.
Yeah, exactly. A much more methodical approach than, we saw during some of the erratic behavior. And speaking of that, targeting, and to his point, he wants to subpoena a victim and call him to testify for the defense. What do you make of that?
Yeah, Mr. Brooks has indicated that he wants up to 13 witnesses subpoenaed. I don't know why he wants 13 in particular, but I don't know what he's going to call these witnesses for. Your guess is really as good as mine, Mary, at this point in time. But I think that he may ask these people essentially whether they know whether he intended to hit them or not. I don't know, or whether they got a good look at who hit them. I'm really not sure where he's going with this. It's going to be interesting to see how it all shakes out.
Yeah, it sure will. And you'll be here to help us break it all down. Thank you so much again, Julius, for joining us this afternoon. We appreciate your insight.
My pleasure, Mary.